Here I've got WIKO Lenny 5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. Here just pick wallpaper, and now you have to choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from your own photos or one from the system wallpapers, so let me choose one from the wallpapers. Let's come along with all options. They are all very interesting. And let me choose, for example, this one. Then just click on Set Wallpaper. And finally pick if you want it to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And let me pick both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.